this is Gail with Gail Southern Living. What am I doing today? I'm going to make corn tortillas for the first time. So I bought some masa, and I actually already put some in my half-gallon mason jar, and then I'll find a jar for this too as well. And I measured out 2 cups of masa. Now in the video it looked really easy. I already washed my hands because the lady in the video put her hands in it. 3/4 teaspoon salt. Try to make sure I get 3/4. Okay, there we go. All right. And she actually mixed it with her hands here, and she did with water. So I have some water heating up. I'm going to go ahead and mix in the salt with my hands. I'm not used to sticking my hands and stuff, so we'll see how this goes. Anyway, I bought a tortilla press, or my husband bought it for me for one of the occasions last year. So I've been that long without making it. It's really soft. Masa's really soft. It's actually softer than flour. All right. I'm going to let that finish heating up, and I'll be right back to show you the next step. All right. So I actually heated up 3 cups of water, but I'm going to put in these 2 and see if it needs more. But so here's the 1 and 2. All right. So I got my water just a little bit too hot. So I'm just going to stir it with a spoon for now. Okay. Now that that's mixed in with the flour, I'm going to see if I can put my hands in it now. All right, you do want this the consistency of Play-Doh. I'm going to keep kneading it here for a bit. Whatever you do, don't boil your water. Just get it warm from the tap. I did boil my water, but I don't think that was what you were supposed to do. I got to learn my mistakes ahead of time. All right, let me come back to the next step. For the next step, I'm going to make this into balls. And I got out, you could measure this to 0.45 grams, but I'm not going to be that specific. But that's what they did in the video. So if you are that detail oriented, go for it. All right. Just going to make these into some little balls. I don't know how many it'll make. When I get this done, I'll count them and we'll know. 2 cups, you wouldn't think it'd make a lot, but now these are actually going to be for dinner tonight. But I will cook at least 1 and do a taste test for you just to see what they taste like, see if they taste better than in the store. This bag did actually have organic on it. So if that's a thing that you're interested in, which I am, it'll be better than your store-bought. If you hear any little noises in the background, that's probably Jade, my new kitty. She's a little busybody. She's all over the place. I did buy her a new toy. I might show it to you at the end. I'm just going to keep going until I get all these made. I think this is a pretty good consistency. I've never done it, but looks good to me. I'm a newbie, so I'll get better at it. But for now, I'm just going to work my way through the first time. Simple ingredients though, just 2 cups of masa, 2 cups of warm water, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And the salt is actually optional. You totally don't have to do that. But I will try one at the end. The rest, I will go ahead and get made up for dinner tonight. And we'll probably go ahead and just have some tacos with the soft corn shells, with these corn shells. I'm thinking you could also make this into tostadas, do them regular and then maybe just cook them longer so that they're harder to make them into tostadas. I'm guessing. Now mine are going to be all different sizes because I did not measure. After this time, I'll decide if I'm going to measure it next time. But I just wanted to throw this together, and we'll see. I'll probably get better at it, and I may decide I want to be more detail oriented later with it. But it's always good to have a healthier homemade options. I do have quite a few. I'm actually filming this video in July to put out in August, and I'll have a few different miscellaneous recipes in August, and then in September and October I'm gonna do multiple soup recipes, not a collaboration or anything, just a personal series on my channel. And that's pretty much it. That's all of that. Let's count these and see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there's 19. All right, so now you're going to let this sit for 20 minutes with a damp cloth. Tortilla press, take number 4. We're going to try wax paper. Ah, that's perfect. Look at that. That's a thing of beauty right there. All right, guys, here is my non-perfect tortilla. Let's see what it tastes like. It's good. Makes me wonder if I've ever had a homemade corn tortilla. I have had flour, because this tastes so much better than a corn tortilla in the store. So definitely would try this recipe. I will link the video. I will link the recipe in the description box of this video. Thank you for watching my video today. Please share this out in your community tab. Leave me a comment and hit the like button for me. You guys have a great day. Be blessed. Do something kind. Bye, guys.